Hello, this is a short explanation how to replace a profile inside the workflow. As you know, when you have an event that's coming to the system, the profile is created, but sometimes you would like to replace it with some profile based on some data from the event properties. For example, see, I have this event. Actually, I have this one profile. This is its email, and I would like to have a regular profileless event that will have no profile, and then I will load this profile by the email. So how do I do it? So in the workflows, I've created a workflow with start and end node. You have to look for a profile. Oh, it's a lot. Load profile by. And when we connect it, you can see that you can select a field that you would like to use to identify the profile. So for example, I will have an email, and I will be sending in the event, in the properties, the email that I would like to find the profile. So I will be sending an email, and inside the workflow I will be looking for a profile that has that email. Okay, let's connect this. Here you can see that I've typed an event properties because I would like to debug this. So inside an email I have an email of my profile, and okay, let's run it. So here we go. We can see that the profile was loaded, it was successful, and this node, what it does, it replaces the internal profile with the profile that is found by this email. So we can go here and see in the state that our profile has the email that that I've typed. For example, when I mistype the email, you can see that there is error, and inside the error we have that no record was found with that email. And now we have to think what we want to do with this. For example, the event is coming, and I would like to find a profile, and I'm pretty sure that all the profiles are in my system. Maybe I could do something like this. I can type discard, and when I could not find the profile, I just discard event. That means that event will not be saved, because I'm sure that all the emails are in my system, and when somebody messes with the properties, I don't want this information to be saved in my system. There's also another approach that you can just leave the event and then just go through it and see what's happening, and you can check if somebody messes with your data.